see nothing. Am I really ugly or kind of ugly? Comment down below. So as you can tell, I'm not in the same place, and I don't have a fan on, and I'm not whispering. You're welcome. Okay, but like chill, I was nervous. Okay, so today, oh my god. Who is she? Okay, today, so it's like almost winter. Do you ever like talk and then you're like, why do I do that? Why do I talk? Yeah, me too. Okay, so basically I have 5 outfits, and they're for winter, this winter season. They're cute, they're on trend, and yeah, and a lot of them have like layers, so like depending on where you live you can like accommodate. So like I live in Texas and it's really not that cold, and so like one of them I have this like big puffer jacket, and like they're really cute, but like probably won't need it. But like if you live in like a really cold place, then you wear that puffer jacket, girl. Okay, so but I'll probably still wear the puffer jacket because it's cute. Kind of like the last one, I have a blog post to go along with this video, and it's going to be in the description, and you can click it, and then you can find all of these items that make up the outfit in the blog post. So let's dive in. Boy, if you don't get... Okay. So like I filmed the little outfit stuff in my room at school, and we have like crusty green carpet, and it's like really gross. So like sorry for that. So this first outfit has lots of layers. Basically I layered a bodysuit on top of a turtleneck because it's cute and it's warm. And then we have puffer jacket, which is also super cute. I just paired it with camo pants because camo's really in, and added a star belt and added some sneakers for like a casual look. You could really layer like a tank top or like any sleeveless top over a turtleneck, and it'll be really cute, and you can like mix match. I don't know, you know what I'm saying. Like colors, I just have like white and black, and it like went good with the camo. But you can really do anything. You can really do anything if you put your mind to it. Inspiration. So our next outfit, I put like a really chunky sweater and this like little industrial edgier skirt. And you know, we just got a pop of color, but then we toned it down with the black to tie in with the black stripe. I added some white combat boots from Forever 21, and then we have the fishnet stockings. Like if you're like really cold, then you can add I don't know, like some tights or like a black puffer jacket. That would be cute. If you live in like Antarctica and you're like really cold and you need to do that, then like go ahead, girl. Or boy. Okay, so I think this outfit is my favorite, mainly because it has cargo pants and I like them, and checkers and red. So okay. So this outfit, I have this sheer top, but I put a tube top on top of it, and then we have cargo pants, and then I added a white belt to break up like the black, and then we have red boots, and if you're like really cold, then you can add like a denim jacket. And this one's really cute. It has patches, and it has like red in the patches and just some cute stuff, so it matches the red belt. But yeah, this one's a little bit more out there, I guess. I don't know. I think it's cute, so. But I think it'd be cute to like wear out. And yeah, lots of layers, but it's pretty comfy, and like the cargo pants are like roomy, so like you can like dance.
That's right. Big pimpin', spinning cheese.
Okay, so the next outfit that we have It's a little bit more glam, and well, I guess not really. It's like glam slash casual, you know, like a nice balance. So we have a black crop turtleneck, and I added some pants that have like little, what are those things called? Brads. You know, the things in binders, folders, those things along the side. And I just wore like some white sneakers. But then if you want to get real crazy, real glam, then add that fur jacket. So I added my pink fur jacket, looking cute or whatever. But you know, we're still casual, you know, like we're wearing jeans, we're wearing just a plain shirt, and you know, we're wearing sneakers. So we're just living, but we're like cute, you know. If you're really confused and this doesn't make sense, you can just click on the blog post and you can just like look at the outfits and like,
you don't really need me to like explain what I'm wearing because you got eyeballs, you know, and you can just click to the item that you like.
But don't do that. There's still another outfit, so like you gotta watch. But like in case like I really just don't make sense and you're like,
what? Excuse me?
Yeah, you can just do that. But like still watch. Don't stay right there. Okay. So the next one, I kind of look like Luke from 5 Seconds of Summer, and that was like a total accident. Like, I don't love him or anything like that.
All of a sudden, they just walk by us, just walk by us.
Yeah.
Like
out of nowhere.
Like where Hope is, like walk by us.
Like this close. I'm not kidding.
I'm like, and I just couldn't say anything. But then I was like, "Hey, Luke," and then Luke said, "Hey."
It actually was an accident. I put these on and I was like triggered, but it's still cute, you know. Like, no, like if you put those on and you're like walking down the street, like no one's gonna stop you and be like,
"Excuse me, are you in 5 Seconds of Summer?"
Because that's not gonna happen, because like a lot of people don't even know what they look like. They just know like Youngblood, and they're like, love 5 sauce, and I'm like, okay, bye. You know, so we love that. We love a fake fan. Okay, next outfit. We got this little thermal. It's from Brandy, but you can easily DIY. We got some plaid pants, nice and fun. They have a little bit of red in them. And then we just got some plain little boots, some plain little black boots. And I put a silver and black Western style belt to just kind of tie everything together, you know, snatch the waist. Yeah, no. And then we have a red leather jacket because she's cute, she's fun, she's edgy. And it ties in with the red stripe. And then we have this little black Baker Boy hat. So the black plaid pants are super comfy and stretchy, and they're just cute. I don't know her. Okay, so that was my last outfit. They're all kind of like different, you know, so if you like one, didn't like the other, that's okay. But yeah, they're all separated in the blog post, and you can easily find all the items by just clicking on the little square. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'll put it like right here. Okay, but yeah, so I hope this helped you figure out how to bundle up for the winter season, and you're welcome. Subscribe, like,
comment,
and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.